Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is contempt. It's pronounced contempt, and it is spelt C-O-N-T-E-M-P-T. Think con and then tempt. Contempt means feeling that a person or thing is worthless, deserving scorn, or beneath consideration. For example, you could say he showed his contempt for his job by doing it very badly and with a completely miserable face. The word contempt comes from the Latin contemptus, meaning scorn. Its meaning is the same today as scorn is a synonym of contempt, meaning the feeling or belief that someone or something is worthless or despicable. Did you know that contempt can also apply to legal matters and is actually part of the law in the UK? As we know, contempt means having no respect or liking for something. You can be held in contempt of court or law if you disrespect or disobey a court order. Examples of contempt of court include taking pictures or shouting loudly in court. Both are considered disrespectful behaviours. If you are found in contempt of court, you could face up to 2 years in prison or a large fine, and that fine would be more than the £5 pocket money we're all used to. Contempt is a noun. For example, you could say, the rich king looked at his impoverished people with contempt. Contempt can be turned into contemptible, which is an adjective meaning deserving contempt. For example, you could say the thief's behaviour was contemptible. Contempt is defined in the dictionary as a strong feeling of disliking and having no respect for someone or something. Contempt synonyms include scorn, disdain, disrespect, ridicule, disgust, loathing, and hatred. Antonyms include approval, esteem, flattery, friendliness, and praise. See if you notice anyone feeling contempt today. It could be in real life or on TV. If you see someone acting or feeling that a person or thing is beneath them or worthless, try using your new word to accurately describe what's going on. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.